Hey, how's everyone doing today? So today I just wanted to go over a quick little tip. It's involving the front window here. Something always frustrates me when you try to clean it. It seems like a pain to do, especially when how these windows lay back. They lay pretty flat, so it can be pretty hard to clean them correctly. But I just wanted to share a quick tip, what I learned, and does a great job of making it easier to clean and lasting a lot longer as well. So you can see, and the cord has the same issue, I guess you can say, where it lays down kind of flat, so it makes it a little hard to clean it, especially down where the dashboard meets the window. But I learned one of the main reasons why is not getting enough cleaning product onto the window. And at least for me, I know I don't spray a lot because I don't want to damage anything down here. And no matter how careful you are, it always seems to go all over the dashboard. You know, and there's, like this has a speaker back here. It's a vents in here. And then not to mention just the product being on the dash. So a trick I learned, just get some towel and run it across. Now, if you have a huge towel, you can do this in one pass. I like to do half at a time so you can focus more. And the nice thing about this too is there's a gap where the window meets the dash that this towel will tuck in all the way from left to right. So it's an easy way to make sure you get plenty of coverage on this. You can just go to town with the cleaner. I'll show you here. So you definitely want to make sure that all this gets covered. A lot of cars have like sensors and like grills, speaker grills up here. And you don't want to continually spray material, because what happens is when you're doing that in the sun, it'll actually shorten the life of whatever is being sprayed. So if the speaker can actually make that dry out. So I just do this, I tuck it down really good, and then I just spray it, not worrying about how much I'm spraying because a lot of this drops on the towel. And by doing it this way, giving yourself enough product to work with, it's a lot easier to get a nice clean result. So I went ahead and wiped this off. Perfectly clean now. You take this off, move it to the next side, and your dash is perfect. Seems like an easy thing, but I haven't really done that in all my cars before. I would just spray it, wipe the window, and then take another rag and wipe the dash with all the overspray. But like I said, what happens is it could eventually over time, because you're getting the spray inside the speaker grill and things like that, over time it'll actually wear those parts out. So you definitely want to stay away from that. Just get a towel, cover up the area, and then you can focus on cleaning it really well with whatever cleaning solution you're using without worrying about it messing up your dash. Okay, so like I said, it seems like an easy thing, but I haven't never really done that. Makes it a whole lot easier, and it'll protect your interior as well. So I hope everyone's doing good, being safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks, everybody.